I'll show you what kind of route we have taken and oh my god, ट्रैक तो छोड़ो, एडवेंचर तो यही हो गया। Finally we got the group. We had to come for
3 घंटे से 3 घंटे बाद।
I swear it's been almost 2 years. It's been almost 2 hours. और हम ये ग्रुप ढूंढ रहे थे और हमें कुछ 5 किलोमीटर पहले बोला था, जस्ट 500 मीटर दूर है। We parked our car and we started walking. Then we decided to take our car and move ahead. और उस बात को 1 घंटा हो चुका है और हम बहुत गंदे रास्ते से बहुत आगे तक आए। But finally we at least got the group and now we're gonna go to the waterfall. We are gonna start our trek now. But ठीक है, बहुत देर हम बहुत परेशान होकर यहाँ आए हैं, but after seeing this beauty around me, it feels all worth. And of course, I'm super excited to see the big jharna. Hi Pratik. We are with this group. There are so many people and I'm super excited to be with people and going out. It is so difficult. It is so dense and of course I'm enjoying as I really like all these. See this?
I like all these. इसको
Yeah, I
पहले
also
लेके
like all these.
चल मैं
Shut
करता
up.
हूँ, लेकिन एक्चुअली मैं करता हूँ।
मैं करती कम हूँ but I like this. But it's nice. I'm enjoying and I'll show how dangerous it's looking. I'm full of sweat, but it's all worth because it's beautiful. First halt. It's not raining. That is sad. But ठीक है यार, that made this trek easier for us because it's not raining. But I'm sure it would have been more beautiful if it was raining. Random things.
This is
Oh, this is
my-
nice. You can see the sweat and we are like really unlucky that it's not raining, otherwise it would have been so beautiful. But it's still beautiful. I can manage. This is beautiful.
आगे मत जाना।
अरे हम खतरे की तरफ बढ़ते हुए मेरी तरफ
मत जाना।
और ये देव रही है, मतलब क्या कि ये जंगल में अगर कुछ भी करो आप, मतलब नेचुरल वे से जो कोई झाड़ टूट जाए या कुछ भी किसी नेचुरल किसी एनिमल की डेथ हो या कुछ भी हो, नो वन यूजेस ऑल ऑफ दिस फॉर देयर ओन बेनिफिट। जो यहाँ आसपास के गांव वाले हैं वो दे बिलीव कि अगर ये इन्होंने इसको कुछ मतलब जंगल की जो एक साइकिल है उसको डिस्टर्ब किया, फायरवुड के लिए लकड़ी उठा लिया, सिमिलर कुछ किया, तो जंगल इज गोइंग टू हार्म देम बैक इन सम ऑफ द अदर वे. सो दैट्स व्हाई आपने भी देखा होगा वो जो झाड़ गिरा था ना बड़ा वाला, वो वहाँ पे 7 साल से गिरा हुआ है. आई एम कमिंग.
वीडियो आ गया.
And finally, it's like 15-20 minutes more and we will be there. And it's so beautiful. This is the most difficult part of the trek. There's no road.
ये एक तरफ खाई है, नीचे की तरफ दिखा, एंड ऊपर की तरफ भी खाई है.
Uma. There's no way. It's raining and oh my god, it's so beautiful and so scary.
Damn.
So fun. I wish people could see it from my eyes. It's so beautiful. We have reached inside a waterfall and it's so beautiful. We are walking from और यहाँ खाई है. So you know how difficult it is. मुझे उस खाई से बहुत डर लगता है. But yeah, it was fun. It's beautiful as you can see. It was all worth. Finally, we are in a kind of a safe area, though it's jungle, but safe and fine. That was so scary. We are not almost there, just half an hour left. It was good, fun, danger, exciting. I was scared, but it was fun. I liked it. We've been walking, climbing in ascending order, descending order, but I'm not really tired. As you can see, I'm still not really tired. Yeah, it's fun. yourself. अब हम थोड़ा पीछे हो गए क्योंकि हम बैठ गए और देयर आर फ्यू पीपल हु आर कमिंग. सो हमने फाइनली हॉल लिया आफ्टर आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी आवर्स. इट वाज अमेजिंग. आई डोंट नीड दिस हॉल. आई एम लाइक सो एनर्जेटिक स्टिल एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी अबाउट दिस फैक्ट. आई एम फिट. So finally we are here. हम पहुंच गए हैं. उतर के चढ़ के पहाड़ झरना सब हो गया एंड दैट वाज सो गुड. आई एम सो टायर्ड बट इट वाज ऑल वर्थ बिकॉज it was beautiful, guys. You like, if you are free and if you can, then you should really try this. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe if you liked it. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye. See you next time.